Hello, hope you are well. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to share with you how to thread a simple sewing machine. Sewing machines, of course, are made differently. Once you've read manufacturer's instruction, then you may find out that it's very easy to thread a simple sewing machine. It's useful to learn to thread and work a simple sewing machine. Once you know that, you can very easily mend some of your own clothing items, be you a man or a woman. And of course, this saves you lots of money. I'm going to be using an electric sewing machine that comes with a pedal. Once I start using the foot pedal, you may not be able to see it, but just so you see. The machine is numbered from 1 to 4. You can see numbers 1 and 3 up here. Numbers 2 and 4 are close together, as you can see. I'll make it start by putting the thread
on a spool pin.
I need to pull
Spool case.
spool. This is called a spool.
Spool is for winding the thread.
So here is one that I've done earlier. I'll start by winding part of the thread round the
Spool.
to secure it in place, and then put it here, and it's sitting nicely. I've pulled it across to secure it. I'm going to pull this
Balance wheel.
out so that that tells me I should stop. It's actually stopped. So the next thing that I'm going to do, can you see the direction of flow of the thread that way? So I'm going to put it in the
Spool case.
so that they're both pointing in the same direction that way, and then zap it in that way, and you can hear the click that tells me it's sitting snugly. Or if you recall, I pulled this out, so I'm going to push it back in. This is just one component. You need 2 threads all together there, and I've pulled it along through here. Then I've maneuvered the machine around so you can see this is numbered 1, so I'm simply pulling the thread through following number 1, and there's an arrow here pointing round number 2, and the arrow pointing round number 3 is up there. Now I'm going to put the thread through the thread carrier there, and then working my way down towards the arrow pointing at number 4. Of course, different machines will come with different instructions, but this is very easy for me to follow as long as I work my way around the arrows. The next thing that I'm going to do, turning the balance wheel in order to maneuver the needle. Just about see where to put the thread. Try to maneuver the thread underneath the presser foot. This knob to the right determines the type of stitches, and I've selected B, which is a straight line stitch. You also need to determine or play around with how wide you want the stitches to be. I've selected number 4. When you press this knob, the machine then sews back and forth, which helps you to knot the ends of the stitches so that they're not coming apart. It's useful to test it to make sure everything is right, and I've positioned the foot closer to the edge of the garment. And then there's a cutter right here. Right. The stitches look okay to me. Without much ado, it's useful to learn how to work and thread a simple sewing machine, because this will save you lots of money. It then means that you can very easily mend your own garments. Do watch my other video on how to amend an oversized dress. You heard right. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you've learned how to thread a simple sewing machine. Then you feel confident to thread your own simple machine. Bye. Do come back and watch my other videos. Thank you. See you around. Goodbye.